1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, so the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, follow. 5, 6, 7. Gonna open up on 1, turn over the left hand over the head, hammer lock the right. 2, 3, back charge. 5, 6, 7. So on 1, I'm gonna walk onto the left hand. 1, the right hand is starting to unwind. So now the left arm is gonna go down. At the same time, the right arm comes up and I face her. 2, I'm checking the arm down, so that's gonna prep her. So now we're gonna be accelerating her fast into a double turn. 3, we have to go back to back on 4, follow her. 5, 6, 7. So now I'm gonna give her an inside turn. We're gonna drape on 2 with the right. 2, both hands over the head. 3, guys are gonna do a right turn. 5, under both hands. 6, 7. On 1, we're gonna face her, bringing the left hand down. 1. So I'm gonna hook to the right. As I bring the right hand over, check it down on 2. So now I'm gonna pike to the left. 3, keep turning, right arm goes down, left arm comes up, so I'm gonna go over my head. 5, we're gonna drop it, do a forward break on 6, 7. And I'm to the right side of the slide. So now I'm gonna be bringing her forward on 1. My left hand is gonna be going in between her arms to disconnect her left arm. It's a hammer lock. 2, on 3, I'm gonna step forward. 3. So we should be having this right hand here. So now I'm gonna bring her forward on 5 as I get off the slot. Go over her head on 6, 7. Bring the right hand down. 7, I'm off the slot. So now I can open up her crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1.5 right. Forward on 1. Turn 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to take a step forward on 1. We're going to be twisting into a prep to the left on 2. Then we're going to do a double turn on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now an inside turn. So turn on 3. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here we're going to put feet together on 1. Take a side step. 2. Booty roll on 3. Back on 5, 6, 7. Now take a step forward on 1. Turn to the right on 2, back on 3. Now we're going to do a full turn to the left and walk it out with the left. 5, 6, 7. Crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.